Okay, so go to your mini tab and put your information in. Once you get all that information in, you need to click Stat, Regression, Fitted Line Plot. Your age, the age that you are, predicts the salary that you are going to make, because they would think that older people would make a higher salary. Linear model, and click OK. And once you do that, then you get all the information you need in there. Is that the regression equation I was talking about? Here's your R-squared that you'll need. Here is your test statistic. F is 1.24. Your p-value is 0.309. And there is your fitted line plot. Again, your y-intercept is the number -15816, and your slope is +683. So I hope that helps.